Hey, what's going on? This is Grand Oaks, Drees home section. This neighborhood is Pulte, Drees, and Tall Brothers. And take a look in all this pristine nature out here. And they're pre-selling, but you can see they're already building out here. So great time, lots of available lots right now. This will be a pretty big neighborhood. I'm not sure how many houses will have amenities. And it is down just past Windward Ranch off of, I guess that's 16. Exiting by the outlets and heading west. Let's take a look at one of the models here. This is the Grayson by Drees Homes. 2,600 square foot, 3-car garage. And it's not done. End of February, maybe. This is the garage here. It'll be the sales office. What was I saying? It doesn't matter. You guys don't want to listen to me. You want to see pretty houses anyways. So we got this little bedroom up here in the front. With full bath. So you got your formal dining space here. And, well, I guess this could be formal dining space as well, or a study or flex space, whatever you want to use these things for. You know how that goes. Here's the kitchen. See, it's natural gas community. Other dining space here. Got the hood vented to the outside, of course. Microwave. You got a little slide-in double oven there. And check out this master. Really good sized master. Look at these big windows, and this is a natural creek that runs all the way through the neighborhood here. Maybe beyond, I don't know. Big old master closet with your your tankless gas hot water heater there. You've got their double vanities going in here. Shower with bench. Kind of a trippy tile there. You don't want to stare at that and get hypnotized in the shower or something. All right, so coming back out here, around the corner, you got this hallway here. A pretty big laundry room here. It's a cabinets, counter space, sink will go in there. Big deep linen closet. It's a good sized room here. And another bedroom here. Whoops, sorry, I'm kind of tilting this all over the place on you. Oh, they already got ceiling. I was gonna say, oh, I already have ceiling fans, but it's the model, so. And across the hall here, you got the two bowls. Full bath here as well. So you got one in the front, full bath here for the bedrooms 2 and 3. And then the master bath as well. These high plugs up along here. All right, that is the Grayson Drees Homes in Grand Oaks. You want some more info? Let me know and I'll connect you, get you all the info that you need.